You know what is rude? I'm becoming a trader today, and I'm joining Team Bold Beauty Boss with you, beautiful Esty, with you. Because you know what is rude or who is rude? Dudes. Dudes are rude. Oh, you being a Bold Beauty Boss, how often, especially if you're single, how often has some rude dude, all of a sudden start messaging you, or all of a sudden start commenting and DMing you with them horrible pickup lines like, "What's up, girl? You must be tired, cause you've been running through my mind all day long." Or it's like, "What's up, girl? Man, there you are, girl. All them curves and me with no brakes. What's up, girl? You wanna Netflix and chill?" Right. Have you ever had some dude or dudes message you, comment, DM you all the time, just coming straight at you with some horrible, good morning, some horrible pickup lines, or just some horrible comments or inappropriate material? How rude. And yes, I'm going to connect that with beauty at some point. Stick with me for a little bit. What's up? My name is Wick. Wicked. Shut up. What's up, yo? Chilling on a walk with Wick. But today, you're going to vent with Wick. Because let me tell you something. Some of these dudes, scandalous. Why? Because one, I'm a dude. And two, I've done and made all these mistakes before. Lord, forgive me, for I have sinned. That was the old me. Now I'm kind of, now, with this Wick 2.0. But here's the deal. Like, have you ever had dudes just do that? One of the worst things I used to do, I shouldn't even be telling you all this, but that's okay. I can trust you, right? This is between you and me. Throw that issue away. One thing I used to do is, I used to be on all these dating sites and, Match.com and all this stuff. And I would use like some lines or something, whatever. And I would copy and paste to like everybody. Just horrible. Just trying to meet somebody, trying to find love in all the wrong places, right? But it could have been right. I didn't know, but I'm just trying. But thing is, it never worked. One thing that dudes do, and business and dating is very similar to, I'm going to write a book about that one day, right? But it's similar, and this is why. Okay, like, let's just say dudes do that. Let's just say dudes do that to you, and you're like, "Man, look at this fool sliding in my DMs. He's sliding. He's trying to slide, trying to be suave and get in your DMs." And you're like, "You know what? That's horrible. Look at this guy. He's probably using the same line on this girl and that girl, and it's obvious copy and paste, right?" So these things are going through your mind. So let me ask you a question, girl. Let me ask you a question. If some dude that you do not know, and he's, and some of y'all pictures are kind of risque-ish, I'm just saying. But so you're attracting some of the cockroaches out there, just saying. But anyways, what happens is these dudes, let's just say some dude hits you up, try to slide into your DM. You're like, "What's up, girl? You're looking kind of hot, girl. You want to Netflix and chill, girl?" Right? So if guys are doing that, why is that wrong? Why is that bad? Good morning.
Good morning.
Why is that creepy? You're like, "Oh man, Wick, these dudes be scandalous." Why is that wrong? Why is that scandalous? What are some of the things that are going through your mind? You're like, "Well, Wick, what's wrong with the dude trying to hit you up, trying to go for the straight Netflix and chill? Why is that wrong?" You're like, "Well, Wick, that's rude." Well, tell me, why is it rude? Well, he doesn't even know me. He's never met me. He doesn't know what I'm about. He's just trying to get his jollies on. Is that what you say now? I don't even know what people say anymore. Is he trying to get his groove on? He's trying to get his ski on. I don't know, right? So, and you're like, "Yeah, he doesn't know me. He doesn't know that I'm more than just this beautiful face, that I have a soul, a personality. He has no connection with me. So what would it take for a guy to build that connection with you? Well, Wick, he can, politely speak with me. instead of going for the straight Netflix and chill, he could be like, hey girl, I saw you do, face and stuff like that. That is awesome. You must have worked really hard on that, and your skin looks beautiful. So instead of, making an obvious comment, maybe he'll do something like that. Or he'll say something funny. He'll intrigue you and say something funny that you kind of like reply back and kind of get this banter going back and forth, right? So there's a couple of ways. Can we agree that it's not just about the physical? Double up. Right. It's all about that emotional. It's about the soul, the physical, the heart. It's about, the connections. It's about getting to know each other. It's about laughing. It's about, finding out maybe a little bit of what's important to you, and maybe him trying to make an effort to support you in that. Maybe he shares some of your posts. That's a good way. Hey guys, if you're watching this, shoot. You see an esthetician. The one way to an esthetician's heart, start sharing her business, right? But does that kind of make sense? Is that guy at least? I'm not saying that guy's gonna instantly, be the connection for you. I'm not saying that, but is he headed in the right direction? Would things like that be like he would get noticed in your eyes as a good person? Okay. So now, why is Wick talking about dating so early in the morning? First of all, I love talking about dating. Long time ago, I used to be a dating coach. I used to teach dudes how to meet chicks. Loved that business. Man, I got stories for you for days. So one thing I do want to do, if any of you are interested, if you're single and interested, I want to do a talk show about the dating scene, because again, what dudes are doing right, what dudes are doing wrong. I think it would be wonderful. I think it's just fun anyways. I'm just doing it because I like fun shit. But to do that and to get a woman's perspective on what guys should do. So if any of y'all are interested, hit me up. Let me know. It's just good to talk about the things dudes are doing wrong and what they should be doing right. But so here's the deal. This is so rude of me. So let me forgive me in advance. A lot of you, maybe you, are becoming that dude. Oh Lord, that's just hard. And what do I mean? When it comes to your business, now you are the dude, and your potential clients are women that you want to get with. If that kind of makes sense, right? So we're twisting the seats around. Now you're the dude, and that client is you. So what would you say to that client? The dude wants to. All I want to do is zoom, and a boom, boom, right? That's what a dude wants to do, right? What you want to do, you want to get your clients. It's the same thing. All I want to do is zoom, but your zoom, and boom, boom. Means a facial and some services, right? So how are you attracting your clients? And the reason I want you to think that way, I want you to think, okay, if a dude is sliding in your DMs, he's saying everything wrong, he's being rude, he's being, he's like just all up in your business, and obviously, if it's not working, right? So if you're not giving the dude the time of day, you're not responding, you're blocking dudes, right? That's what a lot of clients are doing to you because your approach is similar. Are you with me? So one thing I want you to start doing is go, okay. If that didn't work on you, what would work on you? Well, again, it's those things. Get to know me, be funny. I would see his name again and again. I get to know a little bit about him. We all do some Facebook stalking and all that good shit, right? So, but anyways, then the next step is, reverse the script. You're now the dude. The client is now you. How are you going to create this relationship to get your client get your client into your studio? Because you want them in your studio. True. You want to get a facial, true. You want to care about the skin so they can win, and it can all go through you, right? So think of it that way. If you're just hitting people up like, "What's up? 20% off. Hey, what's up? Come see me. Hey, what's up? I got dermaplaning." That is the dude equivalent. What's up, girl? You want to Netflix and chill? Or does that make sense, right? So look at it that way and be like, because this business, it's a relationship business. Now, why am I saying this? You're like, you could be saying, well, wait, God, I don't got time to hit up all these people and create these relationships and have these conversations. Maybe you don't. If your books are slammed, you are booked. You do not have open time slots. You're booked till the year 2032. You don't have time. Power to you. You're awesome. However, if your books are not booked, if they're open, if you have time and you're not taking that time to invest in finding potential clients, you're doing yourself a great disservice. Right? You need to go on some dates, girl. Your dating skills might be a little bit rusty, and basically sales, marketing, all the sales, marketing stuff is just dating skills. Good morning. Right? So it's like dating. It's the exact same thing. Don't stop trying to Netflix and chill with your clients, yo. You feel me? Create that relationship. Get to know them. Make it so they know your face. You make them laugh. You have a conversation. You compliment them. You get involved with their life in a good way. Don't be creepy. You know the difference between cool and creep, right? Thin line between cool and creep. So keep that in mind. And do that for your business. Create relationships. I stress this so much. It's so easy to do. I've built this foundation of what I do on relationship, on giving, on, imagine if I never did a video. Imagine if you never saw a video from me. You wouldn't know who I was, right? Because I'm just giving and giving and giving and giving ideas and tips. I've spent countless hours mentoring a lot of y'all, jumping on calls, and I just say, hey, y'all, I'll do this. I want you to win, right? This is me in my way of dating, I guess you can say. I'm just giving you as much as I can. And if you want to hook up businessly, okay, girl, I'm here for you. You already know what I'm about. Now, and I got these skills. I can give it to you, but what you gonna do with it, girl? All right. Anyways, long story short, keep it real with your clients. Do not copy and paste a bunch of messages. Lord have mercy, y'all. That shit doesn't work. Does it work on you? Doesn't work on you? No. So it ain't gonna work on your clients. People too smart nowadays. I can smell a copy and paste. Woo, like I stepped on in dog poop. It was like, like right here, like look at my funky shoes. Like, oh, dog poo poo. Copy and paste. All right. So keep it real. Enjoy the process. This business life is so fun. I have an amazing time creating relationships with you. I love interacting with this tribe. I love my bold beauty bosses. It's my passion. And you can tell because I care so much and I do so much. And I have fun. I get to talk about dating, right? And so with you, back to the lecture at hand. Get to it. Focus on relationships, not one-night stands. Oh, back to the lecture at hand. Focus on relationship, not one-night stand, girl. Dang, where's my rap career? Who's gonna be my manager? You? Could be. Let's go, girl. All right, have an amazing day. Remember, if dudes trying to hit on you and they're doing it wrong, don't be that dude hitting on your clients that same way. Please, if this was of value to you, like, comment, share. I had a blast. I love talking about random stuff and hopefully piecing it together like Frankenstein. Sometimes it makes sense. Yo, they can't all be gems, girl. Sometimes they're poo-poo. What you want me to do, right? Have a blast. My heart to yours. I wish nothing but the best. Don't be a dude trying to Netflix and chill with your clients. Late.